What happens when Lexus takes its flagship luxury SUV and pushes it to an entirely new level of sophistication, technology, and road presence? Today, we're taking an exclusive first look at the stunning 2027 Lexus LX 700h Black Edition concept, a bold vision of what the future of luxury SUVs could look like. From its commanding proportions and futuristic styling to its ultra-premium executive cabin, this concept reimagines the legendary LX as a true modern flagship. Starting at the front, the new LX 700h immediately demands attention. The traditional Lexus spindle grille has evolved into a massive full-width architectural design, creating an imposing and unmistakable face. Illuminated Lexus lettering stretches across the center, while ultra-slim matrix LED headlights give the SUV a sharp and sophisticated appearance. The sculpted hood, muscular fenders, and powerful stance emphasize strength and confidence. Every surface has been carefully crafted to balance luxury and capability, creating a vehicle that looks equally at home in front of a five-star resort or on a rugged mountain road. Finished in deep Obsidian Black metallic paint, this Black Edition concept exudes elegance from every angle. The glossy finish reflects its surroundings beautifully, highlighting the vehicle's strong character lines and premium detailing. Moving to the side profile, the LX retains its iconic SUV proportions, while introducing a more streamlined and modern silhouette. Large multi-spoke alloy wheels fill the wheel arches perfectly, while chrome accents and premium trim elements add a touch of sophistication. The long wheelbase creates an unmistakable executive presence. Despite its massive size, the overall design feels athletic, refined, and surprisingly aerodynamic. At the rear, Lexus continues the futuristic theme with a full-width LED light bar that stretches across the tailgate. Illuminated Lexus branding creates a distinctive nighttime signature, while the redesigned bumper and integrated lower diffuser enhance the SUV's premium appearance. The result is a rear design that feels modern, elegant, and instantly recognizable. Step inside, and the transformation becomes even more impressive. The cabin is wrapped in luxurious saddle brown semi-aniline leather, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Diamond quilted seating surfaces, handcrafted wood trim, and ambient lighting elevate the experience to first-class levels. Dominating the dashboard is an enormous panoramic digital display that seamlessly integrates the driver's instrument cluster, infotainment system, navigation, vehicle controls, and connectivity features into one elegant interface. Advanced artificial intelligence assists the driver with navigation, comfort settings, and vehicle monitoring, creating a highly personalized ownership experience. The front seats offer exceptional comfort and support, while premium materials cover nearly every visible surface throughout the cabin. But the true highlight is found in the second row. Designed as a private executive lounge, the rear passenger compartment features reclining captain's chairs, individual entertainment screens, fold-out tables, climate controls, and premium wood accents. Passengers enjoy an environment comparable to a luxury private jet, making long-distance travel effortless and relaxing. A panoramic glass roof floods the cabin with natural light, enhancing the feeling of spaciousness and luxury. Powering this concept is an advanced hybrid system expected to combine exceptional performance with improved efficiency. While official specifications remain unconfirmed, the LX 700h concept hints at a future where luxury, capability, and sustainability coexist without compromise. Advanced all-wheel drive technology, adaptive suspension, and next-generation driver assistance systems ensure that the LX remains one of the most capable luxury SUVs in the world. The 2027 Lexus LX 700h Black Edition concept represents a bold vision of Lexus's future, blending cutting-edge technology, refined craftsmanship, commanding design, and world-class comfort into one extraordinary package. If Lexus brings a production model close to this concept, it could redefine expectations for the full-size luxury SUV segment. So, what do you think about the new 2027 Lexus LX 700h Black Edition? Would you choose it over rivals from Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Range Rover, or Cadillac? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this first look, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest luxury SUV reveals. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.